There's never been a time in history when our entire planet has been more connected. And that's all thanks to the internet. The internet lets you see your mom's face when you're lonely in your new apartment, or play video games with a new friend halfway across the world. But sometimes, our internet service just doesn't meet our needs. No matter what we do, it feels like it lags. But what if it didn't have to be this way? What if your internet moved at the speed you needed, at the speed of light? Unlike cable internet, which uses copper wiring to send electrical signals, fiber internet uses ultra-thin glass cables that transmit data at the speed of light. With fiber, you no longer have to worry about buffering during an important game or your favorite video stalling. You always get crystal clear everything. EarthLink Fiber, connecting you to what matters most.